After making the slip stitch and the chains, now we are going to see how to make single crochet. To make single crochet, I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. So I'm going to start making single crochet from the second chain from my hook. The first chain is going to act as a curve. So now insert the hook into the second chain from the hook, pull a loop. You will see 2 loops on the hook. Now pull a loop through both of these loops. Again insert, pull a loop, 2 loops on the hook, pull through 2 loops. This is called single crochet. We'll see half double crochet in the next video.